How much should you actually spend on motorcycle auxiliary lights? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Today, we're cutting through the confusion and showing you exactly which lights deliver real visibility, durability, and value. No fluff, no hype. Product number 1, Auxbeam 8 Mode Dual Color Lights. This Auxbeam model caught my eye with its dual white and amber LEDs and 8 different lighting modes, including strobes and switchback effects. Priced around $203, it sits firmly in the premium tier, but it's packed with features that serious riders actually care about. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 6 CSB LED chips per light deliver up to 3,400 lumens in amber and 3,200 in white, giving you serious brightness whether you're cutting through fog or lighting up a dark backroad. The IP67 rating means they'll survive rain, mud, and dust, something you'll appreciate if you ride in all conditions. These aren't just bright, they're built to last over 50,000 hours. Now, some people complained about the wiring setup being tricky, especially the note that the ACC wire must be connected and the lights shouldn't be used unless the engine is running. Here's the thing though, that's actually good design to prevent battery drain, but it does mean you can't just tap into any random power source without thinking. If you're not comfortable with basic wiring, this might frustrate you. This is perfect for you if you want maximum versatility with color switching and strobe modes for visibility or off-road signaling. Skip this one if you're looking for a simple plug-and-play setup with zero wiring decisions. For the build quality and feature set, it's solid value at this price. Product number 2, QIG 60W Waterproof LED Lights. The QIG auxiliary lights come in at $161 and offer a clean, rugged design with a focus on durability and straightforward performance. What stands out immediately is the IP68 waterproof rating, one of the highest you'll see, and the CNC machined aluminum housing that feels tough enough to handle real abuse. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With 60W output and 5,000 lumens, these lights throw a focused, intense beam thanks to high borosilicate optical lenses. That means better visibility down the road, especially in rain or fog. The dual white and amber modes let you adapt on the fly. Amber cuts through weather, white gives you range. And the honeycomb heat dissipation design helps prevent overheating, which is critical for long rides. Now, some buyers mentioned the instructions were vague, and a few had issues getting the strobe modes to work properly without connecting the yellow wire correctly. Here's the thing though, once you figure out the wiring, and yes, the yellow wire needs to go to ACC or battery positive, everything works as advertised. It's not beginner friendly, but it's reliable once set up. This is perfect for you if you ride in harsh weather and need lights that won't quit. Skip this one if you want something you can install in 5 minutes without reading a manual. For off-roaders and commuters in rainy climates, this is a strong contender. Product number 3, Zmoon 60W Dual Color Pods. At just $32, the Zmoon LED pods are the budget king, but don't let the price fool you. These tiny 1.3-inch lights pack a punch with 60W total output and a bifocal lens design that focuses light up to 600 feet. That's impressive reach for such a small unit. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Unlike most budget lights that only do one color, these switch between white and amber, so you're not stuck with just one option. Whether you're riding at night or pushing through fog, you can adapt. The aluminum housing includes a built-in turbofan for active cooling, which helps protect the LEDs and extends lifespan beyond 50,000 hours. And the adjustable bracket lets you angle the beam exactly where you need it, great for tight trails or highway riding. Now, some users reported the fan can be a bit noisy at high speeds, and a few had issues with water ingress over time despite the claimed waterproofing. Here's the thing though, for under $35, you're getting dual color functionality and solid brightness that most lights at this price don't offer. Just don't expect military-grade ceiling. This is perfect for you if you want affordable, functional lighting without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you ride in heavy rain regularly or need ultra-quiet operation. For weekend riders or those on a tight budget, these are a steal. Product number 4. Future Eyes 360 Degrees Adjustable Lights. Future Eyes brings smart engineering to the table with these $160 auxiliary lights featuring full 360-degree adjustability and automotive-grade cutoff technology. That means you get precise beam control, less glare for oncoming traffic, more light where you need it. The amber and white LEDs let you toggle between fog-piercing warmth and long-range clarity. The smart wiring harness includes battery protection, which helps prevent drain, a real win for daily riders. Plus, the IP67 rating and aluminum build ensure these survive rain, dust, and vibration. Installation is tool-free and takes minutes, even if you're not mechanically inclined. Now, some buyers noted the brackets can feel a bit flimsy if over-tightened, and a few had compatibility issues with certain crash bar sizes outside the 0.708 to 1.25-inch range. Here's the thing though, if your setup fits, these lights deliver professional-level control and safety features rarely seen at this price. This is perfect for you if you want seamless integration with your bike's existing controls and hate dealing with extra switches. Skip this one if your handlebars or crash bars are unusually sized. For commuters and tourers who value simplicity and safety, these are a smart pick. Product number 5. Auxbeam Halo DRL Dual-Color Lights. This second Auxbeam entry costs $216 and stands out with its Halo Daytime Running Light DRL ring, a rare feature that adds style and extra visibility when you're riding in daylight. Like its sibling, it offers 8 lighting modes, dual white-amber output, and 6000 LM combined brightness. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Halo DRL runs whenever your ignition is on, making you more noticeable to cars and pedestrians, something urban riders will love. The 6 CSB LEDs per side deliver intense, glare-free illumination thanks to the precision PC lens. The die-cast aluminum body and IP67 rating mean it's built for extreme conditions, from desert heat to mountain snow. Now, some users were frustrated that the DRL can't be turned off remotely. It only shuts off when the bike is powered down. Here's the thing though, that's by design to keep things simple and prevent battery drain, but it might annoy riders who want full manual control. This is perfect for you if you want maximum visibility both day and night with a sleek, modern look. Skip this one if you prefer minimalist lighting or ride mostly at night. For city riders and adventure tourers who want to be seen, this is top tier. So which one should you get? If you want premium features and don't mind wiring, go with the Auxbeam 8 mode. Need toughness and weather resistance? Qig's IP68 build is hard to beat. On a budget, Zmoon delivers surprising performance for $32. Want smart integration? Future Eyes syncs perfectly with your bike. And if you ride in traffic and want to be seen all day, the Auxbeam with Halo DRL is unmatched. Choose based on your ride and stay safe out there.